Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, Crafty DIY Guy, and I'm back. I have got a haul for you from some thrift stores. It's Labor Day weekend, and I am here in Lake Hartwell, South Carolina, I think. And I am up here with some friends, and we went shopping yesterday, and we went to a couple thrift stores. One was a Goodwill, one was just an independent thrift store that's here in town. And I snagged some goodies, so wanted to share with you those items. And the first thing that I found was this really cool, it's metal. I think it's like a lampshade of some kind, at least that's what I'm gonna turn it into. It was $1.99, but then it was yellow, and that was the color of the day, so it actually was 99 cents. And what I loved about it was the metal. I love the fine detail on it, and I don't know, I thought that this was super cool. I thought if you hung a really cool Edison bulb in here, that could be a great hanging pendant light. So that was the first thing that I saw. And by the way, of course, if you're one of my old time friends, one of my OGs, thank you guys so much. One of my long-term subscribers, I truly, truly appreciate you. And I'm a little discombobulated because I'm trying to do this kind of quietly because there's people out there and doggies that'll bark. The second thing I found was this cool little Christmas tree. And to be very honest, when I saw it, I almost decided just to make one with some of those Dollar Tree twig pieces. And then I thought, well, I'll just buy it because it was 99 cents. And how adorable is that? The star needs to be touched up just a little bit, but I think with some bronze paint. And I don't know, I even thought maybe some stain might work really well on this. Maybe some antiquing wax. So that was 99 cents. Thought it was super cute. I bought a pair of brown leather Ralph Lauren shoes that are in really good shape. They look like they've hardly been worn. They were $5.99. $5.99. Typically I wouldn't buy shoes, but for $5.99, why wouldn't I buy them? All right, and by the way, all of this stuff that I'm showing you now, this is all the Goodwill stuff. These are really, really cool, and my friend Kelly actually found these, and I was so happy. There's 8 of them in here, and they are metal ornaments, like metal stars. And honestly, I thought they would be just really cool for garland. And I was even thinking that I could make them just be garland, like for all year round, because they are metal. And I don't know, I just think they're super cool looking. I love the shape, I love the size of them. And the whole bag was $1.99, and there's 8 of them in here. So that was cool. This is ridiculous. This is just a silly shirt that I found, but it fits, and it's got this crazy pattern. So I wasn't gonna get it, and I went back and forth with it. It was $5.99, and I thought, okay, I'll wear it at like a silly, you know, party or something, and it's in great condition. We looked up the brand online, and these shirts are selling for like $40 on eBay. So it might end up on eBay after I dry clean it. So, because it'll look better after I dry clean it. This stand I found, and it was obviously for a plant of some kind, and you can see how it's rounded here. So my thought is there was probably a round hurricane or something that went in here at one time, and it was 99 cents, and I just grabbed it because I liked it, and I was thinking I could find something to go in, you know, in it. And I found this that was also 99 cents, and you know, it's not going to fit there. But then I turned it upside down, and look, it's a perfect fit. And so now this arch part will be the feet, and I'll put some succulents in here and some rocks and just make it like a little terrarium. So I thought that was super cool. And that was all from Goodwill. Now I did go to this little independent thrift store while I was here, and they had some really fun stuff. So the first thing I grabbed were 2 of these. They were like 75 cents, I think, a piece, and I thought that they were really, really good deal. And I want to do something boho, I think, with those. So that was those. And then I found a really great set of vases, and the first one was this one. Very cool, right? And this looks darker here, but it's actually kind of a navy color. And what I loved about it was it was $1.50. And it had a mate. It had a brother. Super cute, right? Also $1.50. Could not pass that up. And there's something in there. We'll see what's in there later. And then I found this. I don't even remember what this is. Oh yeah, I found these great, well, my friend Kelly actually found these. These were $1.25 as well. And I was gonna pass them up originally and then my friend Kelly suggested that we make a wreath with them. But they're Dragonfly napkin holders. And I mean, they're super cute as is, and they're metal as well. But I thought that they could be really cute. Spray painted them, put them in a wreath. So there was 4 of those, which were super cute. And then the thing that I was really excited about is I love to decorate with old books, and they had all of these old books, and all of their old books were 10 of them for $1. So I grabbed 10 old leather-bound books, and there's a couple more in here. They're just heavy. 10 books. I got them for $1. And these will be great for decorating with because a lot of them don't have the covers, and they've got those really rich, cool, like, you know, leather-bound, printed kind of covers to them. And then the one that I found that did have a cover on it, gonna adjust the camera. The one that did have a cover on it, it's a leather book as well, and it's a wine book, so I thought that was kind of cool. So that is everything that I got on my thrifting haul here in Lake Hartwell. So it's been a good weekend, and I do have a Dollar Tree haul video coming up next as well from Lake Hartwell here in Georgia, and or a Dollar Tree, you know what I mean. All right, bye guys.